Hello. I have not been on this channel for a really long time, and I was just looking at my old videos today, and I was like, wow, like, I'm a different person now, you know? Back then, I was really into fashion and music, and I was in high school, and, so that was, like, my life, but now I have a kid. He's 2.5. His name's Bodie. I have an obsession with plants, vegetables, fruit, succulents, herbs, everything. I no longer live in North Dakota. I live in Florida, and it is January right now. Look how nice it is outside. The nice breeze, and yeah. So now I've become a more spiritual person. I believe that the universe will help you out if you help yourself. I believe that we were all born here for a reason, and it is our purpose to find that reason and to live that reason. And I think that through our skills and abilities and the things that we love to do and that make us feel happy, that is what you should follow to figure out what your purposes in life. So I was always afraid that I wasn't going to be a good enough painter. I was afraid that I was going to kill anything I tried to plant. And that is not the case at all. In fact, the things I was most afraid of pursuing are the things that have brought me to where I am today. My beautiful friend Lisette on Instagram reminded me that I should start making videos of my progress of my story. I've skipped a lot of years here, and I've learned a lot of things, and it really takes a long time to know what you want to do, what you're good at. And it also takes being around people who support you and also see your vision to make it come true. It's all about what's inside of you, but having someone there saying, "Good job, I like that, let's try the next thing," that's very important too. Um, so let me show you my flowers. These are all of my succulents. And my sisters are going to be coming soon, and they are going to, and my mom, and they are going to help me repot my plants. I have not seen my mom or my sisters since the beginning of November 2016, and now it is the beginning of February, the end of January 2019. So it's been like over 2 years since I've seen my family, and I'm so excited to see them. I guess I'm just updating you guys on my life. So with this channel, what I want to do is teach not only my son, because he is my inspiration for learning all of this stuff to better my life, to teach my son and others, anyone who wants to learn how to grow a plant, how to grow your own vegetables and fruit to eat. I'll help you understand why it's important that we put aside the foods that are processed and filled with contaminants, whether it be residue from chemicals, whether it be you have a gluten intolerance and you don't understand what's wrong, or you don't know what you're going to eat next. One of my sisters has digestive problems, and that is also partial fuel for me to answer these questions that I have. Growing is so therapeutic. I also love painting, so you might see some of that in my videos. I love birds, I love animals, I love the sun, I love yoga, I love my coffee, even though I need to stop drinking sugar. Future Jessica, stop drinking Sugar. I need it, man. I'm addicted. And that is another reason. I have lots and lots of reasons. When I get them all figured out, I'll make a whole video about it. But there's just things in our lives when we're called to do something. It's time to do something. And when I was going through my papers today, I was reminded that I just need to start making videos. Now that I know I want it to be to help people with their well-being, it's definitely my medicine is healthy foods, healthy actions, like meditating, clearing out your energy to make sure that you're refreshed and renewed for the next day. There are lots of things that we don't understand and that we wish were that way, a certain way. And the way to get there is to just start taking action. And that has been really difficult for me, especially with this. I just need to stop drinking coffee. That's going to be one of the things that we talk about on here. You know, my trip through letting go of things that I'm addicted to, things that I think that I need to survive, when in reality, what you need to survive is water and nutritious fruits and vegetables that have fiber. And there's healthy fats. Like nuts and seeds have healthy fats that your body needs. It's just, I want to share what I learn day by day, maybe week by week. I'm sorry if I just disappear once in a while because I have a lot that I'm doing. I have a lot of seedlings that are getting ready to be planted in the next month or two. You can hear my son making noise in the background, so that is also one of my number one things that I do, is take care of my son. And I'm also writing books about this, or more like chapters, to write a book about healing yourself. I went to so many doctors. They said I had generalized anxiety disorder. I don't even know what that is. And I actually had my first physical panic attack the other day. I had never had a panic attack in my entire life. And then all of a sudden, Bodhi. And then all of a sudden, my heart felt like it was stopped. And I was beating really hard. So it's like, what is it called when you have an anxiety attack, but it only happens in your head and not like in your body? Because when I had this panic attack, I felt it in my heart, I felt it in my body, but my mind was like, what's going on? Why am I feeling like this? Am I having a panic attack? So, usually someone with a panic attack wouldn't know that they're having a panic attack. They'd just be freaking out. So there's a lot that doctors can't solve for me. My acne, I'm sure that's from my coffee. I'm going to be 24 years old. I'm sick of living like I don't know what I'm doing with my life and with myself. And I'm overweight by 45 pounds. And I know that's not a fucking ridiculous amount, but I've been over 200 pounds in the past. And since I've been pregnant, since I had my kid, I've slowly been gaining all that weight back that I had when I was a kid. So hopefully through all my rambling, you've kind of come to an understanding about where I'm at, what my videos are going to be about. And I hope you just have a good day, because boy, I needed to ramble all that out. Alright. Deuces, give me a subscribe and press the little bell thing to get my new videos. Thank you, gardeners and vegans and spiritual people alike. Have a wonderful day.